Well, hello there. Welcome back to the Frugal Family. My name is Julie, and we are doing another Frugal Mama Reviews. Here at the Frugal Family, we do all sorts of different product reviews. If you are looking by chance for anything a little spicier in the product review department, hop on over to my uncensored, unfiltered grown-up channel, Frugal Mama's Time Out. We'll be doing some really fun reviews over there. Fun things from coffee to feminine hygiene to feminine fun. I'm not going to go any more into it. I'm just going to tell you, hop on over. Frugal Mama's Time Out. But here today at the Frugal Family, I got something awesome in the mail. Something I have needed, oh my goodness, I have needed for so long. And I should have done it a lot sooner, but I didn't, so here we are. As always with the Frugal Mama, I am notorious for this. I'm slow, but eventually I do get things done. Or bought. So I have a fabulous laptop that I love. It's an Asus gaming laptop. So powerful, so quick, and I'm grateful for that. I adore that. Perfect for a YouTuber or a gamer. The problem is it gets so hot, and like hot to the touch, hot like you think it's gonna catch the house on fire.
I am too smart. I am too smart.
And that's because it's working so hard to be so fast and so quick and so fabulous, but it hurts. Like if you just have that sitting on your lap, you can't do it. You just can't do it. It's not so bad if it's on the table, but if it's on your lap or on like a pillow or a regular like lap cushy squishy thing, no, it's gonna burn you alive. So I finally invested in a cooling pad. I will leave an Amazon affiliate link for this in the video description. That is, of course, the Frugal Family affiliate link. You could buy this or any other product that you regularly buy through Amazon. If you buy it through that link, do any of your shopping, it will benefit the Frugal Family channels without costing you anything extra. Thanks in advance. Let's see. Okay, simple. I'm not like jumping up and down about my immediate assessment of the quality, but that's almost anything anymore. Everything's made out of plastic. And I guess in this case, maybe it's good that it is because you don't want like metal getting all heated up and everything. It's just, it doesn't feel like super crazy, solid, fabulous plastic. What brand is this? You guys probably want to know that. I don't know if it's branded, or if it is, I don't know that I can read it because I don't read this. Is that Chinese? Is that Japanese? Olivia would know. I don't know. V2? Is that the brand or is that the model? I'm not sure. I'll put information about it somewhere like right here. Hopefully the name of the brand. Fabulous review, Julie. You don't even know what it is. Well, I know what it is. I just don't know who made it. But I'll find out and I'll put it right here. Anyway, so yeah, not like super thick, solid. I mean, you can hear that. I think you guys can tell just by seeing it. That's not super duper solid, but will it do the job? God, I hope so. There's fans in there. Can you see? Maybe it's better to show you that way. There are fans in there. I love the color blue. It is available in other colors, but I really like the blue. I think that's fun. And then right here on the back, you've got, does that come out more? Yes, it does. Okay, so there's your USB. Let's see, and then it's got, where am I gonna plug it in? Should I plug it into my laptop? That's probably what I'll do, huh? Let's see, it's got these little guys so that it can, be elevated. Do you have to have it elevated? I'm gonna find out. Did it come with instructions? Sorry, I'm asking myself all these questions, but at least I'm trying to answer them too. I'm gonna get a quick little bit of Google education. I think, however, that you're gonna want it up on these. And that's how they show it in the picture. So my best educated guesstimate is that, yeah, you're gonna want these up so that it is, at an angle so that it can vent through, obviously. You're gonna want it up so it can vent. Although I will say that probably if you're not able to have it up on these, it's still gonna be better than not having a cooling pad at all. I'm quite certain of that because yikes, they get hot. You get a high-powered gaming laptop and my goodness, great for videos, absolutely fantastic for Minecraft and whatever other games people play, but it just sizzle, burns through you like acid, and that's dangerous and scary. Ooh. I am so excited to try this out. Let's see. So the cord, I guess once these are up, that cord is not going to be in your way. It's not going to be a problem. But there is a little moat. Can I call it a moat? Is that all right? A little moat right here. If you can get it to stay in there, a little moat so that the cord is not like in your way. Except then it's got to go over here anyhow. I don't know. Maybe that doesn't matter. Maybe it's neither here nor there. We're going to plug it into my laptop and we're going to try it out. We are going to try this in the way that I would normally be using it, which would be on my lap here in my little happy place. That is my office, my studio, was my bed for like 6 or 7, 9 months this last year. Anyway, we are going to get my fabulous laptop. This thing, God, it's heavy. And we're going to set it on this cooling thing, and we're gonna take this USB and we're gonna plug it in somewhere right here or here, right there, plugged in, and we're gonna see if this stops the burn. Wish me luck, Frugal friends. Plugging it in. Oh, I hope. Okay, I have been on here for like 15 minutes at least, probably 20, maybe even 25 minutes. I lost track of time. I have been doing multiple different functions all at the same time. The computer has been whirling and twirling. Okay, whirring. I just don't like that word. It's been going and going and doing its thing, and my legs are not heating up. This is fantastic. Yeah, this might not be the fanciest like cooling pad that's available on the market, but it's working for Frugal Mama. Yeah, like, oh, wow. Okay. Putting the computer straight onto my leg right there, definitely warmer, but not as warm as it normally would be without the cooling pad. And then if I have the computer on the cooling pad, I'm not feeling any warmth at all. That is fantastic. This is a game changer. I just plugged in my phone. I'm going to start moving some files over for videos that I'm doing. That is an activity that will usually get the computer warming up. Okay, you can probably hear things are whirring and it's doing its thing, and I'm not feeling any heat on my legs. That is fantastic.
I've waited too long for this.
Thank you so much for watching. I do hope that this review was helpful for you in finding your own cooling pad. I am going to be trying so many more products, giving you guys an honest, thorough review so that you can find the products that you need and you're not going to have to waste your money or go through the return process or any of that nonsense, because I am going to try that item out first. If you do have any suggestions or requests of items that you are interested in trying out, but you want me to try them first, go ahead and tell me about that in the comments section. We also have our business email down there for anyone who would like to have us try their product and give it a very honest, thorough review here at the Frugal Family. I do hope that you are subscribed. So many fun videos coming, not just our regular content of dumpster diving and decluttering and living a full, fabulous, frugal life on a budget, but also finding the best value for your hard-earned money with Frugal Mama Reviews. Have a great day. I'll see you all very soon.